Welcome to Mobile Electronic Diagnostic. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Today we have a different car. Today we are working on BMW X5 2007. The problem on this car is the car crank, it doesn't want to start. What is the first step we have to do when you have this symptom? We are using aftermarket tools. It was a leader of European car aftermarket scanner for quite a while. There is no update for it now, but it still also is there. We're gonna use Orologic, and let's see what's going on. What we have it? Why is the car cranking and not start? Is that because of signal from crankshaft sensor? Is that because of mechanical problem, electrical problem, electronic problem, security problem? So here is the car. You see, this is the car. I push the brake, I crank it, nothing. So what do you need to do with the ignition on? Visual inspection, we can do nothing. So the first thing we have to do is go to Diagnosis and then accept their liability disclaimer. Now you go to BMW automatic. I want to look for it, automatic reading for the data. Yes, he gave me the last 7 of the VIN number, model E70 X5. The engine is 4.0 USA. I'm gonna say connect, continue. Okay, let me close the door so I don't want to seal all the noise. Now I'm reading the information. You have two things. Either you have to do quick test, or you can go to the engine. Which one you need? Quick test, it takes some time by the time you finish, and it's good because it can give you more information. I gotta go to quick test here. The newer the car, the faster the process is. Okay, we're already there. Okay, I see like the air condition is working. I'm gonna try to finish this one just by reducing. Okay, we are performing. On some cars it will give you the module that it's checking it, but if you see in the bottom here, you see we have the VIN number complete for the car. This is not a repair. This is an attempt to see what's going on. Is there any information? Because computers look for the sensor's performance. It needs to see any function. If there is some problem there, it will say, you know what, I'm seeing this, I'm seeing this, I'm seeing this in this time. And this is, for computer, is normal. It's just like the laptop or desktop computer. When you turn it on, there is a like CPU unit or central processing unit. It take information. There are some that getting command, checking the car. Right now I'm seeing here, we have 4 pages. On the 4 pages, you see here, amplifier, comfort access, footwell module, function center, heat, all this electronic height. Let's go to the next one, center display. You know, all these are codes. Go to the next one here, also are codes. So what do you want to do? Fault in control units, all communicating control, all possible control units. I'm gonna open this one. So to see, it will open me a page to tell me which control unit and the details. Amplifier, we have CAN fault. Comfort, also we have fault. Footwell module, high beam, mirror, all this. We have 8 pages. We're gonna go to the next page. Brake light, all this is function center, roof, heating and air conditioning, some code like messaging, automatic heating. This is not our concern. Those will not stop the car from running. Dynamic control, ABS, pressure, tire pressure, don't worry about it. Electronic height control, a lot of codes here. That's not a problem. Now, we have here also CAN line, controllers, CON ZPE, head-up display, Those will not stop the car from running. Okay, instrument cluster supply was switched off. That's not a problem. Car access, CAS. K-line fault, engine starter operation. Okay, let's go again. Digital motor, power management, closed circuit violation. Wow. No message from instrument cluster. Gear selector, interlock faulty, gear selector. I don't see no code for security. There is no fault for security. Advanced module, crash safety. I don't see anything related to steering angle. We don't see anything related to all this stuff. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clear everything. Is that because of no? There is no problem like no fault, okay? So now I'm gonna go back. Let me go to all possible control unit. I wanna go to engine control unit. I need computer. Digital motor electronic. You see the car access, the CAS, it have faults, no faults. Okay. Let me see if any function for CAS. Key numbers, key number 2. Okay, go back. DME DD alignment, CAS reset. Let me see what I have here. Align, one more. Okay, let me go back. Start enable. I don't see anything there. Diagnosis. Go back. Let me see my engine computer. Electronic transmission, digital motor, 2 fault. Still I have 2 fault in the digital motor. Yes, now he give me a quote. This is our problem. 2F4 for EWS preventing manipulation. Wow. So what are we gonna do? What are we going to do in this car? We see after we delete all the codes, we're getting this code. Okay, back. Thank you. Now, we have this code. What do you want to do? DME RAMs reset, CAS DME alignment. Let me see what's gonna happen. Star value match reset. Program star value. Look here. We need to get only the bottom one. Because sometimes when the battery go dead, or for some reason this car also, because it take and give. I give you a password, you give me back. I give you a password, the battery die, you lost my password, we put a new battery, I need another password. There is no way I cannot start the car because I give you something, you don't give it to me. Excuse me, I lost it because the battery was dead. We have to arrange, we have to make a meeting, we have to make agreement between borders. Everybody have to take his time. So we're gonna go back here and do this one. What are we going to talk about it? We're gonna talk about this piece here. We're gonna activate this. If not, 60 minutes, cycle ignition off and back on again, then press OK. So I'm going to turn the key off, then turn the key on again, and then I will click next. Now I'm aligning it. Align it. We're going to wait a little bit. Align CAS and DME. They're shaking hands. They are doing the agreement. My cell phone says battery is low, but you have to be patient. The one on the top, you do it if you have a brand new engine computer. You do it only one part. But here is CAS and DME alignment. We need to eliminate the code of the code that is say DME manipulation. The start value programming or start value matching was not successful. Alignment time out. I don't know why it doesn't want to align it. Okay, let me go back, read the full code. Sometimes you just say that. Still we have it. Even if you clear it, maybe they come back. Read code again. Let me crank it. Maybe it's okay now. It's still not good. Read code. We already have that one. It's there. So I gotta go back again to do the alignment again. Activate. You're supposed to get it correctly. If it cannot do it, we're going to use for other way. It doesn't work. So I'm gonna stop this one and look for another tools. Okay, I have a problem. I'm not able to run the alignment with that car, the EIS alignment. So I gotta go by VIN now, and I'm trying to see if I will be able to read it using these tools. Maybe that machine is old or it has its problems. So let me say, okay, you're gonna decode the car for me. Here is the car E70, the same way, different approach. Okay, this time I will go directly to the engine computer. Sometimes it takes a little bit of while, 9%, 22% is good. But we already have a manipulation code. You can use this, you can use the dealer tools original. This is X5. By the way, this can go for anything. Okay, do you want to go to service? You want to see what is there on the service. Service like oil, like maintenance, delivery. Well, let me see on the body what they have. Car communication, look at the safety. No, I don't have anything here. I go back here. Forget about this one. Go to hot functions. I want to know what is available. Says IMO and keys. Block enable keys. Reset electronic vehicle immobilization system function. Let me go to digital Moro car access interface, star value adjustment, star value adjustment reset, end service function check, program startup value for new. No, I'm gonna go with the one, every company have its own way. Turn ignition on, engine off. Once the start has been established on the vehicle, please press continue. Everything is ready. Digital mode ready to receive star value. Yes, we are ready too. You see, he says succeed in less than 1 minute. Engine can be start now. Continue. That's it. So let's go. That's why when you're getting old a little bit, a new generation come, this one, they come out like less than a year and a half or maybe more. But that one was on the road for 10, 20 years. So now it looks like it's getting old. I'm trying just to reset it. You don't want to do it. So I'm going to turn the key off. I wait a little bit. And then I will see if I can start. Push the brake. Crank. The car's supposed to start. So the problem is not... Okay, I'm gonna take this one here. The problem is not the start value. I already reset it. So escape this one here. And this one here. Go back to digital. No. Escape this. Stay this. Escape here. Escape this. Diagnose. Control unit. Drive. DME. Read code. Digital mode EWS electronic vehicle immobilization preventing manipulation. Can I go back and absent? Now it's not there. Go back. Erase it. Okay. Read now. Nothing. Go back. Car access system. Reset control unit. This have nothing to do. This is only reset. Okay, let me go back. Go back. Go back. Body. Car access. Where car access? Okay, go back. Go back. I gotta go to hot function again. I will go again to IMO. Digital access. Like the before. If it doesn't want to start and I don't have no code for there, ignition must be on. Let me start value again, number 1. You have to wait a little bit. Ignition have to go off. You took about like 30 seconds. It's supposed to work from the beginning. Maybe you have to leave it like this to forget the shadow. I'm gonna put it back. Let me see now. Push the brake. It doesn't want to start. I'll do it again. Okay, let's continue again to see if there's any code. We don't have nothing with it. Okay, go back. Continue. Let me do this. Let me go back. Diagnose. Control unit. Drive. I want to see if there is any code. If the code, there is no code. So no EWS code. Nothing. Nothing there. So let me look at the live data to see what's going on. General, idle, smooth running, more operation value. Okay, I want to see if I have barrel is good, intake is good, accelerator, you see when I give gas, here is move 100%. Okay, barrel is good, cooling temperature is good. Go back. Okay. Idle, let me see idle. RPM, I just want to crank it to see if I have RPM. Both places. Yes, I have a good RPM. That means this car is supposed to start. I don't hear one thing. I don't hear the fuel pump. I'm supposed to hear zzz or something. I don't hear nothing. Okay. So it look like right now we have everything there good. There is no manipulation code. Before I have manipulation code. Now I don't have no manipulation code. Wow, that's a beautiful one. What? You don't have nothing?
No, I didn't bring any of that. No?
Yeah, you may have to spend some time to check and see why. But I don't see, when I come first, I have the, you can see this video later, it's 20 minutes.
Okay.
I see the EWS manipulation, I try to reset it with auto logic, it doesn't work. I bring the other machine, I was able to reset it. There is no code for EWS, which means that security. But RPM is good. The car was parked for a long time?
No, we've been driving it.
Okay, so you may need to check and see why it doesn't want to start just now.
Just put a starter in it and then you don't start.
Yeah, I see the RPM is very good too. Okay, I see even the RPM, everything is very good. So you may have to check it again, look while you're cranking, see if you have a fuel pressure coming, see if you have, like oil, pulse are there, everything are there, and just take it from there. But security is well. Now we don't have no problem with the security. I'm gonna check one more for the security, if it's available or not, but I don't have it. Okay, let me go back. I want to see something else too. What do you want to see? Where is the fuel pump control module? FICM. Yeah, this one. I want to see if there's any codes. This is a computer that functioning the fuel pump. Let's go. Let me turn the key on. Sorry. I'm not able to communicate with the fuel pump control module. Are you serious? Say. Let me see it again. Come up with the fuel pump control module. This is where it's good. Excuse me. Sorry. I am not able to communicate with the fuel pump control module.
Okay.
You have water in it or anything happened to it? You know there is one behind the seat here or one under by the batteries here. I don't know which one is the location of this. It's supposed to be in the back trunk. Let's go see it. It's not communicating. When I try to look for the fuel pump control module, it's not communicating. And that control module is supposed to be around this area. Take this one out. Some of them are here. I don't know on this car exactly where it's located. Take this if you can. I'm not sure, but you have to look at the wiring diagram. It shows you where it's located. It's supposed to be, but it's not communicating.
Not communicating?
No. Can you take this place? Take this. No, take this one out. Is there any? Take this. Okay. Each car have its location. I'm not sure. Is that fuel pump control module located? No. Don't tell me there is water here.
Water?
There is nothing here. Everything look good. But no, this is not him. Okay, some of them they are behind the seat here. You see in this area here, but you may need to spend some time to locate some of them, like in this area here. By the wiring diagram you can see where exactly the fuel pump module, because right now I'm not able to talk to it.
Oh, okay.
No communication with the fuel pump control module. That means if you spray something, this car is supposed to start.
I want to get some. I know it's starting is the fuel pump.
Huh?
For the module.
Because I'm not able to talk to any. At least I have to talk to one. There is a fuel pump control module somewhere. Get the location of it, or get a spray and see why. Because here I'm not able to talk to it.
Okay, so I'm gonna get some spray and spray and
Yeah, it's not. You see here, anything here you can go. Okay, you see this is gear selector switch, right?
Right.
Let me see if I can talk to this one. You see here, read codes. This is the gear selector switch.
Right.
I can communicate to it. You see now, I can see everything. Gear selector switch unable to be reset. Gear selector switch interlock faulty. Okay, this is forget about it. Okay, now let's go back to for example, transmission or car accessory. This is a car accessory. I can read the codes. You see, no codes. Now go back to anything transmission control. This hybrid, just transmission control here. For example, if this is transmission, you see, I can see the transmission information. You see, everything is there. But when I go to fuel pump control module, which is here, please come up. You see, take longer. It doesn't want to come up. It doesn't want to show anything. And also this supposed to work fine. Okay, now it's good. Let me see there. You see, I cannot talk to it. Device unable to communicate with the control unit. You need to look at where it is, check it out where. Sometime maybe under the seat there, and be sure they are okay and communicating good before we go crazy. If I go back to the engine control module, I will be able to talk to. This is the engine. In 2 seconds, I'm able to read the codes. Let me see if there's any manipulation. There is no EWS. Before I have EWS manipulation, security. Now I don't have it. Okay. Thank you for watching Mobile Electronic. We already hear about half hour of diagnostic. We eliminate some issue, but we still have some problem. Further diagnostic need to be taken, but this is how we approach cars. Thank you very much and see you in another video. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Please subscribe and share and like.